In this project, we're going to make an astronaut hop into a rocket ship and blast off towards Earth. Your challenge is to recreate this animation. The astronaut climbs in, disappears, and the rocket ship launches into the sky. Watch the finished version first, then try it on your own. Think about how can you make something happen when you tap on a character? How can you make a rocket move from the bottom to the top? How can you make it wait a few seconds before taking off? Try it on your own. Now, let's see how to do it step by step. First, set up your scene. Tap the background button and choose the moon background. Then tap the check mark. Press and hold the default character to delete it. Then tap the red X when it appears. Next, tap the plus button on the left. Add the astronaut. Then tap the check mark. Do the same to add the rocket ship. Drag both characters so they're standing on the moon, with the astronaut on the left and the rocket on the right. Now let's start coding the astronaut. First, let's make the astronaut a bit smaller. Tap the purple button. Then tap the shrink button twice. Next, we'll make the astronaut tell us what to do. Tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block. Then tap the purple button and drag the say block. Tap inside the white box and type tap on the astronaut. Now, let's make the astronaut walk towards the rocket when tapped. Drag the Start on Tap button into the code area. Tap the blue arrow button and drag the right arrow block. Turn on the grid to see how many steps it takes for the astronaut to reach the rocket. Then type that number into the white box. Add a red end block to finish. Next, let's make the astronaut hop to show the low gravity on the moon. Drag another Start on Tap block. Then drag 2 hop blocks from the blue arrow section. For the first hop, type 2 into the white box. For the second hop, make it -2 to show a small bounce downwards. The minus is the straight line or dash symbol on the number pad. Add a red end block to close it. Now, we want the astronaut to disappear when they reach the rocket. Drag the Start on Bump block. Then drag the Hide block. This will make the astronaut vanish as soon as they touch the rocket ship. Now, let's program the rocket ship. The rocket should wait for the astronaut to climb in before taking off. Drag the Start on Bump block. Then tap the orange button and drag the Wait block. It looks like a little clock. Change the number to 3 so it waits 3 seconds. Next, tap the blue arrow button and drag the up arrow block. Change the number to 12 to make it fly high into the sky. Finally, drag the Hide block so the rocket disappears off screen. and end it with a red end block. Now, tap the green flag at the top and watch the whole animation. The astronaut hops in, disappears, and the rocket blasts away. Nice work! You just made a rocket takeoff scene using block coding. Try to make it even better. Maybe make the astronaut dance before getting into the rocket ship or add a countdown sound before it blasts off.